Hi children, this is your ANR sir. Today I have come up with some new problems for class 9th children. Some new problems for class 9th children from the chapter Linear Equations in Two Variables. From the chapter Linear Equations in Two Variables. Exercise number 6.1. Page number 138. Exercise number 6.1 and page number 138. Question number 2. Write each of the following in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Write each of the following in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And find the values of A, B and C. What is the question? Write each of the following in the form of Ax plus By plus C is equal to 0 and find the values of A, B and C. So your first problem is 2x is equal to 5. Your first problem is 2x is equal to 5. So let us bring this 5 to this side. So this becomes 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x minus 5. The reason is here, what is the sign of 5? Plus. When you take to other side, it becomes minus 5. When you compare this with the standard form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. When you compare this with the standard form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, you find you do not have any term for by. You find you do not have any term for by. So we can write 0y. You can write 0y. 2x plus 0y minus 5 is equal to 0. 0 into y, 0. So 0y. Now when you compare this with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In place of a, what you have? 2. In place of a, what you have? 2. In place of b, what you have? 0. In place of c, what you have? Minus 5. Understood? So, what is that equation given? 2x is equal to 5. 2x is equal to 5. What we did, we took this 5 to other side. Here it is plus. When you change to that side, it will become minus. 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. When you compare this with ax plus by plus c, then you find by term is missing. By term is missing. So you can write 0y. You can write 0y. So when you compare, you get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 5. Understood? So now let us take the second equation b. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here ax term is missing. Here ax term is missing. So what you can write? 0 into a you can write. 0 into x you can write. 0 into x you can write. Plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So what is the standard form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form. When you compare, in place of A, what you have? 0. In place of B, what you have? 1. In place of C, what you have? -2. Understood? So now let us take another example. Y by 7 is equal to 3. Y by 7 is equal to 3. Let us take this 7 to other side. Y is equal to 21. Here 7 is dividing. If you take to other side, it multiplies. 7 3s are 21. And next let us transfer this 21 to other side of the is equal to. So y minus 21 is equal to 0. Y minus 21 is equal to 0. The reason is here this side the sign of 21 is plus. If you take to other side it becomes minus. Y minus 21 is equal to 0. So when you compare this with your standard form, what is the standard form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is your standard form. You find what? X term is missing. So you can write 0 into x plus y minus 21 is equal to 0. So when you compare this with standard form, what is the standard form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What you find? You find a is equal to 0. B is equal to 1. C is equal to minus 21. C is equal to minus 21. So now let us do the fourth one. Let us do fourth one. Let us take this minus 14 by 13 to other side of the sign of equality. So x plus 14 by 13 is equal to 0. When you compare this with your standard form, what is standard form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. You find y term is missing. By term is missing. So you can add what? 0y. So let us add x plus 0y plus 14 by 13 is equal to 0. If you compare this with the standard form, what is the standard form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What you get? A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 0. B is equal to 0. And C is equal to 14 by 13. Understood? Shall we go to other question? Your question number 3 reads like this. Express the following statements as a linear equation in two variables. Here some statements are given. What you need to do? You need to transform them into algebraic equations, linear equations. What is given? The sum of two numbers is 34. The sum of two numbers is 34. Let the numbers be x and y. So what is given? Sum is 34. Sum means what? Plus. X plus y is equal to 34. x plus y is equal to 34. This is your required linear equation. What is given? Sum of two numbers is 34. So what you have taken, let those two numbers be x and y. So what is given? Sum means what? Plus. X plus y is equal to 34. Clear? So now let us do some more. The cost of a ball pen is ₹5 less than half the cost of a fountain pen. What is given? The cost of a ball pen is ₹5 less than half the cost of a fountain pen. Let the cost of ball pen be x rupees x, and cost of fountain pen rupees y. So now there is a relationship is given between the cost of ball pen and the cost of a fountain pen. What is that? The cost of ball pen is, that means x is equal to 5 rupees less. 5 rupees less means what? Minus 5. 5 rupees less means what? Minus 5. Then what? Half the cost of fountain pen. What is the cost of fountain pen? Rupees y. What is the cost of fountain pen? Rupees y. Half the cost of fountain pen means what? Y by 2. So what is the equation? You get x is equal to y by 2 minus 5. X is equal to y by 2 minus 5. The cost of ball pen is equal to 5 rupees less minus 5. Then half of the cost of fountain pen. What is the cost of fountain pen? Y. Half means y by 2. Clear? So now let us go to another example. Bhargavi got 10 marks more than double of the marks of Sindhu. So here we have two girls. One is Bhargavi. So let Bhargavi got X marks. Let Bhargavi got X marks. And Sindhu got Y marks. Let Bhargavi got X marks and Sindhu got Y marks. What is the relationship given? Bhargavi got how many marks? X. 10 marks more. More means what? Plus 10. More means what? Plus 10. Then double of the marks of Sindhu. Double means into 2. How many marks did Sindhu get? Y. Double means 2y. Double means 2y. So what is the equation? X is equal to 2y plus 10. X is equal to 2y plus 10. So let us do one more. I think you are enjoying. The cost of a pencil is ₹2 and the ballpoint pen is ₹15. Sheila pays 100 rupees for the pencil and pens she purchased. This statement you have to write in what? Linear equation in two variables. So let Sheila purchased X pencils and she purchased Y pens. Sheila purchased X pencils and Y pens. The cost of pencils is equal to price into number of pencils. That means 2x. What is the price? 2 rupees. How many did she purchase? X. How many did she purchase? X. So what is the total cost? What is the total cost? The total cost is 2x. In the same way, total cost of pens is equal to each pen cost 15 rupees. How many pens did she purchase? Y. So 15 Y. So how much did she pay for this? She paid 100 rupees. So 2x plus 15y is equal to rupees 100. So this is the required equation. This is the required equation. So shall I tell you once again? Let Sheila purchased X pencils and Y pens. The cost of each pencil is 2 rupees. Then what would be the cost of X pencils? 2x. The cost of each pen is 15 rupees. What would be the cost of Y pens? 15y. So how much Sheila paid for this? 100 rupees. So 2x plus 15y is equal to 100. I think you understood today's sums. So tomorrow again I come up with some more new examples. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day and thank you for watching my video.